What's up guys, and welcome to
Air Talk.
You're here bagging it with the best. I'm Jacob, this is Benny, and on this episode we are going to show you how to access your step-by-step instructions and everything you need to know about your air suspension system. Let's get into it.
Previously, we supplied a hard copy of our installation instructions and operation manual in a plastic wallet, but now we're going for a more eco-friendly future in reducing wastage.
We have removed our plastic wallets, hard copy fitting instructions and owner's manual, plus moved to a home compostable fittings bag that you can literally throw in your compost at home. To access your installation instructions, simply scan your QR code on the box or warning label, enter and search your part number, download your instructions and check out all the helpful information about your air suspension system. Easy as that. If you don't have the ability to scan your QR code, jump on your computer and search your part number via our website. That's a wrap guys, thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you tune in next time and remember, bag it with the best.